The Pandanus tree has always been a rich source of useful materials. Every part is used, from the roots to the very tip. But it's the delicious fruit we're going to look at now. These village women have picked the Pandanus fruit and are at the first stage of making the Tuae. This is a very popular preserved Pandanus delicacy. This stage involves softening up the fruit in preparation for its overnight steaming. This is a traditional umum or earth oven. These coral stones are excellent for holding the heat. These special leaves stop the steam from escaping. This steaming process will take all night. Next morning, the oven has cooled down and it's time to lift the fruit. The softened fruit is kept wet, then scraped to remove the pulp. This old lady is well into her 80s, but she still keeps a close eye on her young helpers. She knows there are no shortcuts to this process. The pulp is steamed once more, and any stringy fibers are removed. The pulp is then laid on a bed of leaves and left in the sun to dry. 2 days later, one side is dried and it's turned over. While the dried pandanus is peeled into flakes, the final ingredient is prepared: coconut milk. The flesh is scraped and then squeezed for its rich juice. And after 4 or 5 days' patient work, the cooks gather to give their verdict. And it's delicious.